In this video, I will be talking about how to make money with the metaverse as a beginner. You see, when it comes to opportunities, you want to be the first person or you want to have the first shakers and movers advantage. Essentially, look at CryptoPunks in the beginning when they first got released, Bored Ape Yacht Club when they first released, BTC 2011 when not many people know about it. But currently what's going on right now is there's a hidden explosion in the market of the metaverse after the change or rebranding of Facebook. Now, what you need to do is you need to capitalize on that opportunity before it becomes more mainstream. Now, Facebook is a huge company and you already know that it's going to become mainstream. So you want to be ahead of the curve in terms of what's going on with the model, the business, and essentially the users. Before I do that, I want you to, comment, like, subscribe, hit the button for more amazing content. This is going to be a series because there's different ways to make money with the metaverse. And as I have been creating videos, it's all mostly about NFTs. Now, my videos and my channel is not all about NFTs. It's about helping you make money as much as possible and as fast as possible. With that being said, I know that's a little bit of a long intro, but a few simple ways to make a crazy amount of income in terms of as a beginner in the metaverse world or metaverse business is one, you can invest into metaverse coins. Now, there are many coins out there, but one of the most popular one is called Decentraland. I'm about to pop that up right now, right here. But before I tell you the coins that you should be buying, this is an article that has been written. And it's basically saying that the whole industry of the metaverse is booming, thriving right now. As individuals and companies pile in, right? So many companies are piling in, so many people are adopting, and so many people and businesses, big corporations are planting their seeds into this industry and working on developing huge, amazing projects. Now, there's a total of 100 million. Okay? 100 million was spent on virtual properties last week with purchases of digital land, luxury yachts, and other assets. So this is one of tokens that, just full disclosure, I invested in, the Sandbox. I'm very bullish on them. Do your research before you get into a project. It's an online gaming world that allows users to own plots of land, has dominated activity between November 22 to 28, and attracted 86.56 million in unique fungible token land sales and are tied to the blockchain. All right, so that is what's going on, right? There's not many people talking about it, but you have to be aware if you're in this space. If you're in the crypto space, if you're in the NFT space, if you're in the metaverse space, that is what you want to. Oh, my dog's going crazy. So that's one of the projects recently I talked about Decentraland. Okay, so oh wow, yeah. Don't mind dogs. You know, I'm shooting this. I'm keeping it real with you. So Decentraland, everything in the whole crypto market is down right now. As you can see, BTC's down. Majority of the projects are down. As you can see, I'm very bullish on this. 3.54, 3.51 is the price right now. And this is one of the projects that I talked about, Decentraland. And basically, you can explore and trade in the first virtual world owned by its users. You can buy land right there, and you can start building and developing. So that's one of the projects. You can invest in a coin, or you can buy land. Another one is creating your own game into the metaverse, but that's a little bit complicated right now. I want to keep it as simple, as fast, and easy for you right now. So the next platform is going to be none other than what I mentioned earlier, Sandbox. All right, Sandbox. So this is what I said. I have invested into this project. I'm very bullish, and like I mentioned, the project right now is a lot of projects right now are down. It's people are saying it's crypto winter. I don't know about that. We'll see in a couple of weeks where this goes. Um, Basically, this is similar to Decentraland. Buy your own land, and more importantly, you can be creative with what you do with the land. Right now, the land is going for the cheapest one is 11,000. So remember when I say the other videos in terms of an NFT, right? You want to be able to one when it comes to real estate, what's the most important thing? Location, 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 location. In Sandbox, the more you are in the center of the map, then you're going to have a advantage. So this one is the game that they're coming out with, the Sandbox Alpha. This is one I was telling you about. You can create your own virtual metaverse game in your land. So that's a little bit of that's complicated right now. I'm keeping it simple. So you can buy land and easily flip it. Flip it. So you just buy land, you buy it on OpenSea, you buy, and then you go to sell. I made other videos on how to buy and sell on OpenSea. So this small land right here is 11,507 and 53 cents. So those are the two ways for you to make money in this metaverse. One, invest in a coin, in a token, the Sandbox, the Decentraland, and I'm going to be revealing one secret project that has the potential to explode like Sandbox. And the reason why I think it's going to explode. So one, you invest in their token, right? The second one is you can buy land and then flip it. So those are the easiest and fastest way to do it. My other video, I'm going to be basically demonstrating and saying how to create your own game in your land and have the play to earn features, because you can also make money on NFTs that you have for your land. I don't want to complicate things, but as promised, I will be sharing with you one particular project that is going or has a potential to explode. And do you know what that is? It's called Somnium Space, right? So not many people know about this, and I'm giving you this because of I want to share with you things that is going to help you make money. So it's basically the same concept as Sandbox and Decentraland. And the reason why I think, or not I think, I know they will have an opportunity to explode. So here's a little bit of what they do. A blockchain, metaverse, security, ownership, authentic origin built with proven security standards, cross-platform. And you're going to have the VR mode, right? Use Windows, Oculus, Steam, 5. So there's many things that you can do, right? But the reason why I think this is going to explode is because of their partnership. Their partnership with the Winklevoss. Uh, the owners of. Have you seen the movie? Have you seen the movie of Facebook? There's Mark Zuckerberg and there's two twins, and they are really big into the space, and more importantly, they are, where is it? The owners of Gemini, the Winklevoss twins. So this has a huge potential based on the team behind it, the people behind it, and their partnership. They're also working on a Tesla suit that you'll be able to put on and feel the same type of feeling in the virtual land. So very bullish on this project, but that's about it for me. I want to keep it short, keep it simple. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that share button, hit that bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.